Hello everyone, I hope everyone's keeping safe and staying at home. I'm Sarang Sena, I'm a fashion and fine art photographer based out of Delhi. Ever since the lockdown was announced in India, I started to maintain a journal. I was just penning down my thoughts. While doing so, I wanted to find a way to visually represent these thoughts. I went back to the roots of photography. I was introduced to photography by my father with the basic idea of pinhole camera. I've used the same principle and made this 8x10 large format camera. I've only used the resources that were available to me at home. I'm using paper negatives to make these images. I have a very limited stock of paper negatives, maybe 20 to 25 sheets of paper. Knowing that I'm maybe making one image in 3 to 4 days and sometimes a single image in a week's time. I'll quickly run you guys through all the tools and the material that I've used to make this camera. After which I hope to share the process of making an image with you guys using this camera. This is all that I had used to make the camera. This is hard cardboard box which was actually made to repair the lens board in front of the camera. Along with a photo frame and a glass, this was used to make a focusing screen. Then I ended up using the scissors and Fevicol, screwdriver, a knife to cut the wood, along with some wooden ply, measuring tape, and double-sided tape. And this is the thinner cardboard which I ended up using to repair the exterior of the camera wherever I needed to. There was also a lot of gaffer tape that was used. I've run out of it now, so I don't have it here to show you guys. I've used an old worn out t-shirt and I've cut like certain parts of it as per the measurement for the inside of the camera to just blacken out and absorb all the light so that there are no light leaks in the camera. So the image is more or less dried and this is how it looks like. This is in its negative form. I'm going to be titling this Family Heirloom.